Hey guys, it's Rebecca with Lake Tawakoni RV Center. Come with me to check out this 2020 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 40CCK. This one's got 3 slides, 2 power awnings, dual entry, got your sliding glass door, right up into the kitchen. Got a kitchen island, full-size fridge, a table for 4. You've got your reclining theater seats, a nice fold-out couch, beautiful entertainment center, an electric fireplace, your 3-burner stovetop, plenty of storage. Come to our coffee bar. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. Plenty of room around that sink, nice medicine cabinet, beautiful shower, got a seat in there, storage for your towels and bathroom necessities. You got a king size bed. We've got a 4-drawer dresser. Spot for the washer dryer or more closet hanging space. And there's sliding mirrored doors. This one's absolutely beautiful. If you guys have any questions with our 2020 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 40CCK, give us a call or text us at 903-447-2633. Thanks, guys.